What up, y'all? So I'm about to hit my Dr. Dabber. It took me months to figure this damn thing out. 5 clicks to turn it on, and then I preheat mine before I even add the concentrate in. One of the things you got to remember about an E-Rig is that it's not like a regular rig where it's huge and you can vacuum the smoke in. You possibly will inhale faster than the smoke can create, and so you won't get a large plume of smoke. So what I did was I preheated mine. Now I'm adding my concentrate, and then I'm going to close it up and heat it again, but this time I'm going to hit it. It just told me it was cooling off. So now I'm going to wait a little bit, and remember, it's a slow pull. It's not very large. One of the things that I love about the Dr. Dabber is that it taught me that I was actually not getting the full effect of the concentrate, because now I can really taste the terps. I can taste almost everything, and it tastes so good. Before, in the regular rig, I was burning it. So with the Dr. Dabber, it gives you the perfect temperature. Now, I also have the Dr. Dabber switch, in which I'll do a review on this as well. I'm not really doing a review on the Dr. Dabber XS right now. I just wanted to basically show you how to get that large plume of smoke. I actually put this thing down for about 5 months because I couldn't figure out why wasn't I getting that plume of smoke like I would see on the actual video, the Dr. Dabber video, when I look at the reviews, when I look at the website. So it kind of pissed me off because this is a really cool rig, and I know it works. They put a lot of work into it, so I wanted to figure out how to get that very large plume of smoke. I actually watched the videos on Dr. Dabber, and I had almost wanted to believe that they were using some type of smoke substance that would create this large plume of smoke. And yeah, I thought it was like false advertising at first, because I couldn't figure it out. I would hit it, I would get the good taste, but it wouldn't be a large cloud like you just saw in that. It would be kind of light, and so I went back to the regular rig. But it took some time. You have to preheat it first, then add your concentrate, and remember, don't vacuum it like you would do a regular rig. Your intake of oxygen is a lot faster than what the Dr. Dabber can create. It's very small, so you have to think about this as like a lung capacity. This is the Dr. Dabber's lung, and you're gonna fill this up, and then you're gonna just slowly take it in and let it hit you, just like it hit me. I promise you, it'll work. Now the Dr. Dabber XS is like 150, 160 bucks. You don't even want to know what the Dr. Dabber switch price is. That's for your professional smokers. I actually keep this one in my truck, and then I use the Dr. Dabber switch from when I'm at functions or something and people want to try it. It is very cool. It's got light settings, advanced settings. You can hold it and it'll keep the heat. It's awesome. I'll do a video on it soon, but I just wanted to cover the Dr. Dabber XS real quick because I'm pretty for sure there are some people out there that's having issues with it and they feel kind of ripped off. But don't feel ripped off. It's not what you think. You just got to figure out the science of it, and then once you do, you'll get the best rips ever. Peace.